track of all you have going on in college can be difficult. Google Calendar is part of your Laker app's tools and is so easy to use. Once you log into your Laker email account, you can open your Google Calendar by opening a new tab and clicking on the grid in the upper right corner next to your profile picture and finding the calendar icon. The button to the left will allow you to change the view so you can see a single day, a week, or a whole month, or you can customize it further. It is really helpful to put in all of your events and breaks so that you can see at a glance everything you have going on. Go through your syllabi and make sure that any long-term projects or assignments are added with a plan and small goals to get it done. Add library time to make sure you stay on track. To create an event, you can click the Create button on the far left of the screen above the mini calendar, or you can just add it by clicking on the calendar itself. Either way, a box will pop up so you can fill out the specifics. First, add a title, then click More options in the bottom left of the pop-up box so you can update the details. If this is a reoccurring event, click the drop-down list that says Does Not Repeat. You can then customize it based on your schedule. If it's a class, for example, you can set it to repeat weekly on Monday, Wednesday, Friday until the end of the semester. You can also change the color so you can easily see that it is a class. If it's a study group and you want to invite your classmates, click in the Add Guests box and put in their Oswego email address. Add a location, or if you want to make it a virtual meeting, you can add Google Meet video conferencing by clicking this button. There are also Zoom extensions, but you can Google that if you want to add that to your account. Set up notifications if you want reminders by email or text message. One last note, check your settings and make sure your time zone is set to Eastern Time. Getting organized can definitely help you have a more successful semester.